Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. It's been a while since I've done one of these blog videos, vlogs, whatever you want to call them. Hey, this is going to be one of those wild weeks in March. March meteorological madness, I guess, is the way that you would put this, from major swings in the temperature to thunderstorms to the possibility of freezing temperatures. And there's some differences as to how cold it's going to get in the long range. So let's get into this. First of all, I'm just going to show you the 500 millibar pattern because this really shows you what's happening here. See this, this is this morning, by the way. You see this kind of dip in the jet stream. We're looking at about 20,000 feet up. This is actually what's called 500 millibar vorticity. This shows you where these disturbances are located in these storm systems, but you can get an idea of the jet stream configuration. That was the weekend rain, and now we got ridging coming in behind it. So we got a couple of very nice days. But the thing to notice was what's going to happen in here is there's going to be a ridge going up here and a trough going down here, and that's what's going to have major implications in our weather. See that? This is Thursday. Let's just go straight to Friday morning. This is Friday morning. Look at that ridge going up into Western Canada and digging a trough down here. So it is going to get very chilly. The first part of the week looks great, but then very chilly as we go into the rest of the week, especially I think later Thursday, Friday, on into Saturday. Now, this is the GFS. Let me scoot this over just a little bit. Let's talk about a couple of nice days here. The Razorback game, baseball game at Dickey Stevens, Tuesday evening. You couldn't ask for better weather. There's a front off towards our north, okay? It's stalled out here. There's a wave of low pressure right here. You can see that black closed line. This is late Tuesday, and there's some showers and thunderstorms that try to get going. I think there will be one or two that get going strong, possibly severe. Wind and hail the main threat. Those diminish, and then we go into Wednesday, and there's another area of low pressure that begins to form. This is Wednesday at noon, and this is a stronger one. And once this passes by, that's going to finally push the front through the state, and that's what's really going to be the catalyst to change our weather as we head towards the end of the week. But with this, there's going to be a stronger area of low pressure by later Wednesday and early Thursday morning that I think a significant round of rain and a few thunderstorms, which could be stronger, severe wind and hail, the main threat. See how this moves on up toward, this is late Wednesday. And then there's the surface low and the trailing front right here. And these showers and thunderstorms will be crossing the state probably late Wednesday and into Thursday morning. They'll be out of here. And then winds start to come out of the north. Let me make sure I got this, this right here. Yes, here is the risk for severe weather. Tomorrow, Tuesday, like I said, with that initial wave of low pressure along that front. So wind and hail will be the main threat. You can see this is from near Mena on up into the Logan County and the north central Arkansas. And then there's yet another threat for severe weather. This is on Wednesday, late in the day, and this may actually get expanded a little bit further towards the south. But again, wind and hail would be the main threat. So that's, you know, that front is the game changer, everybody. And then we get into some much colder air. Let me see if I can get it to this right. All right, so there are differences in the colder air. Weatherbell.com here, GFS, and there are some differences as to how cold it's going to get. I think the GFS is holding on to some cloud cover and holding temperatures up. Cloud cover and some wind, holding temperatures up at night. So this is Friday morning. This is just a snapshot of temperatures at 7 o'clock in the morning. 30s north, low and mid 40s for the rest of the state. But I think the coldest morning is actually going to be Saturday morning, and it's got Little Rock down. Now, there are big differences here, and I'm going to show you the European. Near freezing across the north, and then you've got low 40s, and even 39 degrees across southern Arkansas. It may be seeing some clouds here holding temperatures up. However, on the other side of this is the European from Euroweather.com, EuroWX.com, and this is a Saturday low. Saturday's lows. You see this black dashed line? That's the freezing line at the surface. So everything north of that is below freezing, at or below freezing. You can see a pocket of it up here. But so this is much colder on Saturday morning, and in the northern 2/3 of the state would have a freeze and or a frost. So lots of weather going on over the next several days, from great conditions Monday and Tuesday. Today I'm recording this Monday, March 23rd at about 8:40 in the morning. So fantastic stuff today and tomorrow. Northwest Arkansas will have to watch, again, just to recap everything, Northwest Arkansas will have to watch late Tuesday, and then I think more prominently a good chance for rain and some thunderstorms, wind and hail the main threat. Later Wednesday into very, very early Thursday. When I say very early Thursday, I'm saying that I think most of it will be out of here by sunrise on Thursday, and then much colder air. So thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events.